This is Vanessa Horn. This is video number 2. If you missed video number 1, I told you about somebody had called me up wanting to tell me about their network marketing business, and I was very clear with them. I did not have any interest in hearing about the business, but I did want to hear about the product. I wanted to try the product. So I said, meet me in the church parking lot after church. I'll have my kids with me. And you know what they said? Well, I don't know if that'll be enough time to explain how to take the product. So I said, well, if you want, you can meet me at the house. So this is video number 2 of what happened, because I said I was going to walk right alongside with you guys to show you and let's just see if they did the right thing or not. Well, let me tell you what happened. I opened the door to the knock at my door at 2:30 when they were supposed to come, and this person had brought their upline with them. Do not do that. Do not do that. If somebody has said, I just want to try the product, and you have said, well, I'm going to drop it off and explain to you how to use it, do not show up at their door with your upline. Here it is, 2 hours later. They just left. And you know how much I spoke out of the entire 2 hours? Probably 20 minutes. And you know what? Yes, I own that I could have at any point interrupted them and said, you know what, this is enough, I'm not interested. However, I was there taking it in and seeing, you know what, let me just experience what this is like from a prospective's point of view, because I'm here to elevate what this industry is about, and I want to experience what are people out in the field experiencing. And this is why network marketing has a bad reputation, because network marketers they barely get their foot in the door, and then they hijack their time, that person's time. How many hours of your life has been hijacked by a network marketer? 2 hours of my day, Sunday afternoon, my family time got hijacked this afternoon, hearing endlessly about this person's company and why they're excited. And you know what? Not once did they say, how's this resonating with you? Would you like to hear more about this? Is there anything about this you'd like to learn more about? There were no questions asked. As a matter of fact, the way it ended was, well, we'll see what comes of this. You know, give us a call. Give us a call and let us know what our next steps are. You know what? I don't want to go into this video, but watch the next video, because I will walk you through the entire Profit with Honor way to do this. You honor people's time. You walk them through a specific process that honors who they are. So 2 things failed in this scenario. Honoring me, what I had said about I'm not interested in hearing about the business, I just want to try the product, and 2, honoring the process. They went into way too much information too early on without resonating and seeing if I was interested in learning more. So I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do this, and let's take this industry to a new level. Let's help profit with honor. Let's learn how to make money without losing our friends and family in the process. So I'll see you in video number 3 where I'll give you additional pointers on how to do this correctly. Thanks.